Today I'm going to teach you how to disable payment method for specific product category in WooCommerce checkout. This is incredibly useful if you're running an online store and need to restrict certain payment options for particular product types, maybe for shipping reasons or payment processing limitations. First, open a browser and head to wordpress.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're logged into the correct WordPress account that manages your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be making all the necessary changes. Once you're logged in, to disable payment method for specific product category in WooCommerce checkout, start by clicking on Plugins on the left navigation menu. An expanded list of options will appear. From the options that appear, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugins library where you can add new functionality to your site. From the plugins page, you'll see all the plugins available to add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Here, locate the search bar and type in Code Snippets. From the results, look for the plugin simply called Code Snippets. Click on More Details to see the overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. This plugin is essential because it allows you to add custom code to your site safely without editing theme files directly. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. It might take a while for the installation to finish, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Once activated, look at the left navigation menu and click on Snippets. From the Snippets menu, click on Add Snippets. Now, I will be flashing a code to disable payment method for a specific product category in WooCommerce, but we need to modify the category ID to match your specific needs. From the code I've posted, look for the line that says category_ID equals 49. We'll be replacing the number 49 to match the category you wish to disable payment from. Now head to Products on your left navigation menu and click on Categories. From the list of categories, select the one you wish to disable a payment method on. Now look at the address bar and examine the URL carefully. Look for the part that says ID equals and a number next to it. This ID number represents this specific category. Simply copy that number. Now return to your code snippet and insert this ID number, replacing the 49 we mentioned earlier. This ensures the code targets the correct product category. Once you've modified the code with the correct category ID, click on Save and Activate. This snippet will now disable a payment method for this specific product category upon checkout, giving you precise control over payment options based on what customers are purchasing. And that's it. You've successfully configured your WooCommerce store to restrict payment methods by product category. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.